So in this tutorial, I want to show you how I'm going to input a Google Maps map into your website. So we're just going to use an embed code and we're going to put it onto the page that we want. So I'm just going to find the page. This is the page in preview mode. So this is where I want to put the map. I'm going to go back to Pages and click Edit. Now that I'm in Pages, I can see that there's two columns. I'm clicking the plus and I'm going to add a new block called HTML. Go to a new tab, go to Google Maps, type in your location. When you found the location, zoom right in on Google Maps to where you want your map to show. Click on the share, embed a map, select the HTML, or you can just click copy HTML. So it copies it to your clipboard, go back to the page and you paste. And now you can update the page and preview. And there you have your Google Maps embed. So when people click on this, they can just go straight to Google Maps. Thank you for watching.